Hi guys, and welcome back to the Potspoon kitchen. I had this leftover corn and I decided I'm going to show you how I make curried corn, my version. This is going to be a very quick and easy recipe and it takes no longer than 5 minutes. Stick around and let's see how it turns out. To prepare the curry, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is canola oil. You can use any oil that you wish. 1 tablespoon of Madras curry, 1 tablespoon of Jamaican curry, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of complete green seasoning that I have on my channel. This seasoning has shano beni, onion, garlic, pimento peppers, everything in there. And we're going to mix this up. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of water. And we're going to allow this to cook down to a paste. And it has gotten thicker and I want it to cook down a little bit more. I'm going to add the corn that I've cut into small pieces, and this is 4 corn. One more tablespoon of water. The corn is not going to spring liquid on its own as meat will, so you want to add a little bit of water, approximately 1/4 cup, in here to coat all the corn. I'm going to cover this for like about 3 to 4 minutes just to make sure that the flavors of the curry has infused with the corn. The shano beni, the onion, garlic, the thyme and everything has infused with the corn. And we can go ahead and proceed. 1/3 teaspoon of cumin, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of my complete seasoning, half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 teaspoon of Cajun powder, half of a Maggi, and now we're going to taste. Half Maggi Cube, half Maggi Cube, and now we're going to mix it up and taste for salt before we add the salt. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and comment in the comment section. You can also share this recipe, and that will help my channel to grow and to reach a wider audience. I'm going to taste for salt, and it needs about 1 teaspoon of salt. Here you have it, curried corn in minutes. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.